The Bryde's whale, pronounced Brudus or sometimes Brudes, is one of the most enigmatic and agile baleen whales roaming the world's warmer oceans. Unlike the larger colder water whales that draw crowds with epic migrations and dramatic breaches, the Bryde's whale is a quiet, fast-moving predator living a life of speed and stealth just below the surface. Bryde's whales are found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, from the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans to the Indian Ocean. Unlike many of their baleen cousins, they prefer warm waters and don't undertake long polar migrations, which sets them apart behaviorally and biologically. They grow to about 40 to 55 feet, 12 to 17 meters in length, and weigh up to 30 to 40 tons, making them smaller than blue or fin whales, but still impressive in size. Their bodies are streamlined and torpedo-like, built for speed. But their most distinguishing feature? 3 parallel ridges running along the top of their heads. Most baleen whales have just one. This small detail sets the Bryde's whale apart and helps scientists identify them in the wild. Bryde's whales are known for being fast and elusive, often diving suddenly when boats approach and spending very little time at the surface. They are capable of bursts of speed, and because they often travel alone or in small groups, tracking them can be extremely difficult. As a result, despite being fairly common in some regions, they remain one of the least studied baleen whale species. There are actually 2 types of Bryde's whales: the offshore variety, which is larger and more migratory, and the inshore or resident form, which tends to stay in specific coastal areas. In places like the Gulf of Thailand or the coasts of South Africa and Japan, these whales are known to remain year-round, feeding in productive shallow waters. Bryde's whales are opportunistic feeders, dining on small schooling fish, krill, and plankton. They are not filter feeders in the same way as humpbacks. Instead, they rely on lunging tactics, rushing upward through dense schools of prey with their pleated throats expanded, engulfing massive mouthfuls of food and water before filtering it through their baleen plates. In some locations, Bryde's whales have been observed working cooperatively, using bubble nets or corralling fish into bait balls before striking, a behavior once thought unique to other whales like humpbacks. This shows a level of feeding intelligence and adaptability that continues to impress researchers.